Hello, Serious Survivor here. And today I want to talk about something that I talk about a lot in my videos, and that's the need for tools to rebuild with. Now, I hear a lot of people that'll say there'll be no rebuilding, there'll be nothing like that. But, I'm not necessarily talking about having tools to rebuild an entire urban area or an entire city, but I'm talking about situations like this. Last night at about 3:30 to 4 o'clock a.m., this tree come crashing through our roof, and it really woke me up in more than one way. And what really got me was the fact that the large limbs from this tree branch, came straight through the roof, went straight through one of my son's beds, all the way through the floor into the lower level. And luckily, last night, for some reason, I had let them sleep in the living room while they were staying up late watching movies. And if it hadn't been for that, then I would be one less son at this point. And that makes a man think a little bit. But imagine if the grid were down. Imagine if this were some type of SHTF or apocalyptic scenario, and this type of event does happen. This will happen, and this just strengthens the belief that we do need tools for rebuilding, and I think it's an important part of any type of prepper supplies or tools that we can use to repair these types of structures. Because if I wasn't able to call my insurance company and have them get someone out here and have them make the repairs, and most of this is going to be done electronically through emails and cell phone communications, without that technology, if I were in a grid down situation, then I'm now in a home that I can't live in, that water's going to pour through my roof. So having extra supplies at your home to make these kind of repairs with is a definite necessity. Now, in this type of society, in today's world, this is going to be an easy fix. Someone will come out, they'll cut it up, someone else will patch the roof, they'll make the internal or interior repairs, and it'll be just like new. But if the grid were down and we were in some type of difficult situation, then there would be no one to make the repairs, and I would be left having to attempt this on my own. And if I did not have the proper supplies, then this would be an uphill battle, and possibly one that couldn't be won, and definitely couldn't be won without the proper supplies or the proper gear that had been prepped ahead of time. But the main thing to me is that everyone's all right. And I just thought I would show this damage and just sort of bring to light that even in an SHTF situation, we're not only facing damage from the events, damage from other people, but damage from Mother Nature too. Damage that happens normally now: hurricanes, floods, trees falling, lightning strikes. This is all going to continue, if not get worse. So we have to be prepared more than just our little bug out bags and our, small set of tools. We have to truly be prepared, especially for those who are planning on bunkering in or staying in their location throughout the entirety of an event. This is definitely something that you want to put some thought into, because if this tree did come crashing down, then there went all my preps, there went all my supplies, and there went my shelter also. So just something to think about. I want to thank God that everybody's all right. And I hope everyone has a good day. Thanks a lot for watching. For now, Serious Survivor, out.